everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Speak English Now. Today I'm going to talk about shopping at a mall. Please stay with me until the end of the video and subscribe the channel and please like the video. I'm sure you've been to a foreign store, but you didn't know what to say and how to speak with salesperson. Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll answer all your questions to speak confidently in English. So grab your notebook and let's get started. To start a good conversation, you need to use practical words at first. So let's learn them. New words. Listen and repeat. Pair, pair. Fit, fit. Try on, try on. Skinny, skinny. Straight, straight. Slight flare, slight flare. Tight, tight. Loose, loose. Fitting room, changing room. Material, material. Silk, silk. Cotton, cotton. Litter, litter. Polyester, polyester. Lightweight, lightweight. Wider wet, wider wet. Boots, boots. Heels, heels. Flats, flats. Running sneakers, running sneakers. Running socks, running socks. Moisture wicking socks, moisture wicking socks. Sale, sale. Cashier, cashier. Graphic tees, graphic tees. Plain tees, plain tees. Conversation. A clothing store in shopping center. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, I'm looking for a pair of jeans. Do you have anything in a dark wash? Absolutely. We have a great selection of them. What size are you? I'm usually a size 4. Great! Let me grab a pair for you. How do you like the fit of your jeans? Skinny, straight, or baggy? I think I like a straight fit. Okay, here are a few options. This one is classic straight and that one has a slight flare at the bottom. I like the look of the classic straight leg. Can I try this one? Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
A few moments later.
Oh, these fit are really well, but I think they're a little too long. Do you have these in a shorter length? Unfortunately, we don't have these in a shorter length, but I can check if we have a similar style. How about these pair? They're a bit more cropped and might be a better fit. Great! I'll try those one too. Oh, I'll take these. How much are they? They're $59 to $99. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, sure. What's your PIN card? It's 1233. Thank you for shopping with us. Would you like to look at anything else today? Actually, I might. Do you have any t-shirt in a medium? Definitely. These are a big selection of graphic tees and plain tees. Oh, what are these made of? They're all cotton. I like this one. Do you have this in different color? Yes, it has yellow, red, orange, and dark blue. Okay, I pick up blue and yellow one. Nice choice. A shoe store at shopping mall. Listen and repeat. Hi there. I'm looking for a pair of comfortable sneakers for running. Absolutely. These are running shoes. What kind do you prefer? Lightweight and supportive, please. Yes, we have them. What size are you? A size 9.5. Great! We have a few options that might suit your needs. Do you have a specific brand in mind? I'm a fan of Nike, but I'm open to other brands as well. Okay, these are our best running shoes. They're designed for neutral runners and offer excellent cushioning. Those look nice. Can I try them on? Of course. These feel pretty good, but they might be a bit too narrow. Do you have a wider width available? Yes, we do have a wider width in this style. Let me grab. These are perfect. How much are they? They're $120. Would you like to purchase them? Is there sale on these shoes? Yes, these shoes are being offered at the festival rates. Oh, thank you so much. Do you have any moisture-wicking socks? We certainly do. We have these brands and styles for running and other use. I'll take this one. These feel so comfortable. Thank you for shopping with us. Enjoy your new shops. Important sentences. Excuse me, I'm looking for a pair of jeans. A pair of shoes. Can I try these one shoes? Jeans. Can I try this one t-shirt? Do you have a taller, a shorter, a bigger, a smaller? I'll take these shoes. I'll take this shirt. Can I pay by credit card? What are these made of? What is this made of? Do you have this in different color? I'm a size. Is there sale on these? Is there sale on this? Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe your channel Speak English Now and like the video. I hope you become the best at speaking English. Speak English now.